All right, so far I took off the back panel, the back screws I should say, to take off the top panel. That was easy. There's 2 screws back there, comes right off. Then to take off the front panel, there's a screw here and these 4 latches here. And so then, this is gonna look upside down, I guess. There's a screw here, and then I gotta take these apart. And from the top down, it's red, white, blue from the left there, then blue, then white. Then you have to take this piece off by getting behind here, like in here, by getting behind in there and using these 4 tabs and getting this out. And then there's one final screw to get this top part off. Now I should be good to take off these 3 screws, these two, and the door. But I'll see how this looks in a minute. So then afterwards, I had to take off the bottom panel, and there were 4 screws that had to be taken off of there, which is here. You gotta be careful of this cable here. I just moved the whole thing aside because taking it off was rough. This is what I'm dealing with. This is why I wanted to take it apart, because I could see that there was a buildup of crap everywhere and I wanted to clean it. So I'm gonna clean this and I'll check back with you shortly. All right, put everything back together. This part here, the inside here, you have to make sure this is lined up just right. It's kind of a pain. Then this part latches back down. I know I should have showed you this as I was doing it, but I just wanted to get it done. Then you put this back on, connect all the wires back. That's funny that it's doing that on the video. The lights aren't actually doing that. That is a symptom of the fact that we're recording it. It's not doing that to the naked eye. Then we put this back, put the screw back on from the back for this piece. Put the bottom back on, screwed the 4 screws in behind that, snap that back on. Put these guys back, put the door back, put the top back, screws on the back of that. And so now, if we shut this, we are golden. I now have a clean functioning dryer. Awesome. That was what was in the dryer mucking up the place. All better now. Ugh.